What is up guys, my name is Santosh and you're watching Smart Tech. In today's video, we'll be taking a quick look on the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So as you all know, it is going to be launched on March 12, 2020. So before that, we'll be seeing the specifications and more information about it. So let's get started. Here are some leaks of the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So it is said that it will be launched in the event on March 12th, 2020. The Redmi Note 9 Pro is set to come with an 108 MP rear camera. Now let's move on to the specifications of the phone. This is said to be the Redmi Note 9 Pro according to the leaks. Let's talk about the processor here. It might come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G is a mid-range Qualcomm chip. It's not so powerful to that extent, but it does a pretty good job. Back to the specs. Talking about the battery might come at 4500 mAh, which might last up to 4.5 days. Talking about the display, it might come at 6.53-inch display. Talking about the camera, the rear camera will come at 108 MP. I don't know which lens how much, and the front camera might come at 20 MP punch hole camera. Even though we couldn't find out the camera lens, but some leaks said that it might come with a 64 MP primary camera, 8 MP wide angle ultra wide angle camera, 2 MP camera and 2 MP depth camera. Here are some of the leaked image of the phone. So this is the image which shows how the mobile looks at the back side. So I don't think so even this mobile will support 5G in India, and I don't know about the other countries. This mobile isn't a flagship phone. I'm sure about that because of some reasons which I can't tell you. And the price, I think so it might come at like 20,000, 30,000 like that. And I expect this phone to be a good one. And thanks for watching this video. If you're seeing till now, a huge thanks for you. If you want me to do more videos like this and what video you want, just comment down below. I'll be doing that. Now me signing up from your Smart Tech. Bye.